Now, nature of the insurance contract. We will going to discuss about this in today's session. Namaste students, I'm Dr. Shruti. Today we will going to discuss about the nature of the insurance contract. Now let's talk about that. First one is the offer and the acceptance. To make the contract valid, the offer made by the one party and accepted by the other party, then only it is can be called as a contract. The second one is the consideration. Consideration can be defined as an act of promise offered by the one party and accepted by the other party as a piece of that promise. So when then it only can be called as a consideration of the contract. The third one is the agreement. Now, for validity of the legal contract, the promise of the consensus at the item or is to be followed. Both the parties should agree to the same thing at the same sense. So the risk, perils, and sum of the insurance must be agreed by both the parties for specified period of time, and consent must be arising out of the common intention. Now the fourth one is yes. Now the fourth one is the capacities of the parties. The Indian contract of the Act. Every person is competent to contract who is of the age of the maturity according to the law of such he or she is subject, and who is sound mind is not disqualified from the contracting by any law to which he is the subject. Now, the legality of the contract. The subject matter of the contract must be legal. Section 23 of the Indian Contract Act states that the object of the agreement is unlawful, useless, unless first, it is forbidden by the law. It is such nature that if permitted, it would defeat the provision of any of the law, or the fraudulent involves in or implies the injury to the person and the property of the another and property of the another. Or the fourth one is the courts regards it is immoral or proposed to the public policy. So this is we have discussed about the nature of the insurance. That's all for the day, students. I hope you like this video. If you are having any query or the doubt, you can talk to me and discuss about this matter in the live session. Thank you so much, students.